Working with a team? In this episode, we'll explore how Colossyan makes collaboration easy, from sharing projects to reviewing and approving videos together. Inside the editor, on the top right corner, you will find the Share button. Click on it to invite others to collaborate. You can invite someone as a viewer, editor, or an admin. If you invite someone as a viewer, they can leave comments without making any edits. This is useful for feedback. All plans have unlimited viewers, so no need to worry about limits here. Inviting someone as an editor means they join your workspace and will be able to make changes to your video. Inviting someone as an admin gives them access to team management and role assignments. When it comes to comments, they can be added at a scene level or for the entire video, very similar to collaborating on a shared document or presentation. To streamline collaboration, using a consistent brand kit, media library, and scene layouts with your team can make a huge difference. These assets will appear on the media section, under the library, from where you can easily access the brand kits as well. To save a scene layout, simply click on the three dots and click Save Scene as a layout, and it will automatically appear to all the team members on the workspace. Your workspaces are located on the home page at the top left. There, you can see all the workspaces linked to your organization. If you are part of a larger team, it's common to have different workspaces for different teams, all connected under one organization. To invite people and see all the details of your workspace, click on People. From there, you can invite team members via email or send them a link. When it comes to organizing your team's files, it's important to have a clear system for both video naming and folder structure. You can easily achieve that within New Library tab, where you can create folders and organize everything. Finally, enterprise admins have access to a team management portal, where they are able to view everyone in the organization, the workspace they belong to, and how many videos are created, to gather more analytics. Teamwork makes great videos. In our final episode, we'll cover exporting and sharing, getting your videos out to the world.